Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain you the classification in machine learning. So many people are confused between two terms, that is artificial intelligence and machine learning, and want to know what is the exact difference between these two. So what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the broader sense. It is a broad approach and it is the main objective. So artificial intelligence is broad approach and it enables machine to think. Now then what is machine learning? Machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligence and it provides us statistical tool to explore the data. So machine learning provides statistical tool to explore the data. There are three different types of machine learning, that is supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, and reinforcement, also known as semi-supervised machine learning. Now let's understand this concept of machine learning with a simple example. Now he is Bob. Bob likes to watch movies. Bob either likes movies or he dislikes movies based on storyline, direction, acting, and music. Now let's plot this in the form of graph. Let's x-axis represents storyline and y-axis represents music. Storyline may be starting from drama towards action and music may be from light to fast music. Now Bob likes to watch movies if movie falls in this area of red circle, and Bob does not like to watch movie if it falls in this area of graph. Now let's take example one by one. Now circle these two classifications. Movie A. Movie A is an action movie with fast music and hence it is very obvious that it will fall in this category somewhere here, and hence there are very high chances that Bob would like to watch this movie and hence he will watch this movie. Now let's take second example, movie B. Movie B is a drama movie with light music and hence it will fall somewhere here in the second circle, and hence Bob will not like to watch this movie. Now movie C. Movie C is average story with average music and it falls somewhere here. Now when it falls somewhere here, now we want to take a decision that whether Bob will like to watch this movie or not. So how to take decision? Draw a circle of same radius around this small x. Now here in this circle, you can see that there are no blue stars, but there are three red circles and hence there are very high chances that Bob would like to watch this movie C. So here in this example, machine learning comes into picture and this type of classification is known as nearest neighbor classification. So what is machine learning? Machine learning provides machine an ability to learn automatically and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Now let's take another example. He is baby Harry and he is asked to eat apple, but he is confused. Why? Because he don't know which one is apple. But adult like us knows which one is apple because we have gathered this information and data from our past experiences, and hence we are able to classify between broccoli, apple, pineapple, banana, lemon, etc. So we can say that we learn from our past experiences, and hence in machine learning, we make machine to learn with experience. What we do in machine learning? We make machine to learn with experience by giving labeled data. So let's understand this model. This is a small model. In this, we have given input of apples, and these are label inputs. We have also given information to the model that these are apples. And hence, when we give this unseen and unlabeled data to the model, it will immediately recognize this as a apple, and it will predict that this is an apple. Why? Because it learned from this past experience. This was past experience that we have given to the model. So types of machine learning. Which are the types of machine learning? There is supervised machine learning. So the name itself suggests that it is supervised. That means machine learns under guidance, supervision, under supervision. So teacher in this case is a training data. In supervised type of machine learning, training data is a teacher. Input and outputs are known. What is example? This is example of supervised learning. You can see this kid is learning in presence of teacher, or you can say in supervision of teacher. But in machine learning, this training data is a teacher. That means we have to give lot of data to the machine so that it understands that this is the input and what should be predicted output. Now next is unsupervised machine learning. Unsupervised machine learning acts without guide. That means there is no supervision, there is no guide, there is no teacher, and data is also not labeled. Example, now see this student, he is learning from the computer without any teacher. This is unsupervised machine learning. Now third type of machine learning is reinforcement type of machine learning. This type of machine learning, you can say that it is like learning with mistakes, learning on our own. You can see this is agent, this is dog. Dog is barking on this girl. This girl is nothing but environment. And then he will learn how this girl reacts, whether she loves, she accepts his barking, or she will get angry on him. So based on her reaction, this agent will observe and take decisions. So this is known as reinforcement type of machine learning. Now again, let's understand this supervised machine learning and unsupervised machine learning with example. This is example of supervised machine learning. In this type, machine learn by feeding labeled data and clearly telling it that this is input. Now see, same example, this is model and these are apples. This is your data. But how is it? It is labeled data. Labeled data means it is said that these are apples, these are apples, these are apples. So this is said to the model, and hence it is very easy for this model to predict that this is apple when we give unseen data from as a input. Okay, now what happens in unsupervised learning? In unsupervised learning, machine has to analyze the given data set, analyze hidden patterns, and predict the output. You can say in this example, here these are not labels. No labels are given, which one is apple, which is banana, and what is what. What this model had done, this model has categorized it into different group. It has classified this input into different groups based on its shape, appearance, structure, color, etc. So this is known as unsupervised learning. Now what is classification in machine learning, which is our main topic? Classification is a process of categorizing a given set of data into classes. So classification is type of supervised learning. Classification, very simple word. Classification means categorization. What do we categorize? We categorize the different data, or machine categorizes or classifies into different data. Let's take an example. In this example, these are female faces and these are male faces. How do we classify? Very simple. This is known as gender classification. We have divided it into two categories like female and male. This is example of gender classification. Let's take one more example. What is classification process? The process starts with predicting the class of given data points. The classes are often referred to as target, label, or categorize. The main goal is to identify which class category the new data will fall into. Means what? Let's take an example. Let's take an example of our mailbox. In mailbox, whenever we receive the mail, it either goes into spam or it goes into non-spam. What is this? This is nothing but classifying the incoming mails into two categories or two classifications. Now, which are different types of classifications? First is binary classification. Binary classification refers to those classification tasks that have two class labels. Means what? Example, email spam detection. In this example, either email is spam or it is not spam. That means there are only two possibilities. Next, medical testing of a patient to determine if he has certain disease or not. So again, there are only two possibilities. Either he have a disease or he will not have any disease. So it is binary classification, only two options. Pass or fail in the exam after result, only two possibilities. Either you will pass in the exam or fail in the exam. Now, what is multi-class classification? In multi-class classification, there are multiple output classification. Example, face classification. So faces you can classify into different categories like North Indian face, South Indian face, East Indian, or any type of like this. Or male classification, kids child face classification. So you can group these faces into different classes. Plant species classification, you know that there are so many species in the of plants and you can classify into different groups. So it is the example of multi-class classification. You can see here the example of binary classification, only two classes are there. Multi-class classification, there are chances that there are multiple classes. Now, what are different classification algorithms? If you want to classify the data into different categories, then there are different algorithms for implementation. There are linear classifiers, nearest neighbor classifiers, support vector machine, decision tree, boosted trees, random forest, neural network, etc. These explanation of all these algorithm is beyond the scope of this video. I will come with the next video with support vector machine. Now let us again revise the first example that we have given. So what? This is Bob who likes or dislike the movies, and then we have plotted and we have classified. Now do you remember we have classified it into two categories? We have plotted it like this, and this was movie C, and he was confused whether I should watch it or not. Then nearest neighbor algorithm for classification. That time I said it is the example of nearest neighbor algorithm. How? Because here we have drawn one circle and then we have taken a decision that he will watch the movie because there were three circles. So this is all about classification techniques, and in the next video I will be coming with support vector machine. Thank you.